Hello, people. Hi, everyone. I'm all set. I'm all ready. Before I call on Sora for a workout session, which I am really excited about because it's also something that I haven't really tried. It's animal flow and calisthenics. I've dabbled a bit here and there, but never really done a proper class. So I'm quite looking forward to it with Yukan and Saurav. So yeah, let's get going. I will invite him. How do you guys like my new look? These are I'm going to be working out with them. I think they're kind of nice and fun and fashionable, but they're actually my laser glasses. I just got a laser eye surgery done, so I have to have them on. Also, I don't know, I'm not allowed to sweat too much, I'm not allowed to work out too much. So after my surgery, this is the first workout that I would be doing. So Saurav, if you're listening, go easy on me. Maybe the others who are watching can go crazy and work out, but me, I think I should take it easy. Chalo. This is going to be a quick session, and we'll just go really fast so that we don't get bored. Okay, I think I'm just waiting for Saurabh to send me the request still. Yeah. So Saurabh is someone I have worked out with in the past. I think once. Actually, that was just before the lockdown. It was an amazing session. I plan to do a few more with him because I have always been very fascinated by this form of workout, which is calisthenics and animal flow. For those of you who don't know what that workout is, मैं थोड़ा सा explain कर देती हूँ. Calisthenics and animal flow आपके body weight को लेके होता है, तो उसके लिए हमें कोई equipment की ज़रूरत नहीं है. As you can see, आपको सिर्फ आना है and you just need a mat and you need yourself and you need your dedication. I always feel कि even a short workout of this is very helpful. क्योंकि मैं बहुत योगा करती हूँ, तो उसमें कुछ फॉर्म ऑफ कैलिस्थेनिक्स काइंड ऑफ इन्वॉल्व होता है, जैसे कि हेड स्टैंड्स वगैरह. सौरभ आएंगे तो हमें ज़्यादा बताएंगे उसके बारे में. बट हाँ, ऑल इन ऑल इट्स अ बॉडी वेट वर्कआउट. कोई इक्विपमेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपके खुद के बॉडी के वजन से हम लेते हैं. सो आर्म स्ट्रेंथ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड एनिमल फ्लो इज़ बेसिकली अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्कआउट, जिसमें वर्कआउट हम कह सकते हैं कि हम एनिमल से कॉपी करते हैं, सीधा चुरा लेते हैं. Whether it's crab or I think frogs, elephant, Saurabh will tell us which are the other animals we would be copying and stealing from, borrowing from. So उनके movement से inspire होके हम अपने workout movements बनाते हैं, and they're extremely helpful to tone up your body. Also, I personally feel to kind of bring that nature or that quality of animal in you. So for example, अगर हम cat की movement कर रहे हैं तो वो हमारी body में आती है और हमें उस हिसाब से करना है, या हम अगर monkey की movement कर रहे हैं तो monkey का या frog का. So super interesting, very different workout. And I'm going to check again अगर Saurabh has joined. Oh yeah, I have to so is joining us from Yukan Wellness. I'm going live with them, and they are a fitness company. उनके one of the founder members हैं. Hi Saurabh.
Yeah, hi Sonali, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I've been listening to your words. These are very kind words that you're using for me. Thank you so much for that. So yes, today I'll be taking you through calisthenic and movement. I'll be mixing calisthenic and movement with you. So some part of animal flow, some part of movement, and some part of calisthenic will be there.
Correct. Right.
Okay. So yes. So whatever
I told them what it is a little bit about. If you want to add something, otherwise we can start right away.
Yes, we can start right away. You have already explained. Yeah. You did that. You did that very well. Yes. Okay. Can you see me now properly?
I can see you. I think I should set my camera thoda lower. So most of the movements are sitting, right?
Yes, the movements are sitting. Yeah.
So, okay, let me put my camera a little lower, my tripod.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. I think it's too high. Can you just keep it a little bit low?
Yeah, more lower, no? Or
Yeah, more low. Yeah.
This is fine. No?
Yeah. Can you see me? Right, I can see you.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you
But
move
yours
forward,
is a top angle.
yes,
Right?
you want to keep it little low because if you move forward, then I'll not be able to see you.
Yeah.
Yes. I want to see the full mat. That's it. Your mat. I just want to see the mat. And the best part is body weight that you can finish your workout in this mat itself.
Yeah.
Little bit down. Mm-hmm. Left towards your right. Yeah.
I think this should be okay, and we'll adjust.
Perfect. Yes, I can see you. Right. So yes, we are starting now. So can you just sit like this in a squat? The feet inside, heels inside, toes out. Yeah. Take your time. Right, perfect. So just be here for 10 seconds. Push your knees out. And here for 10 seconds, yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With your right hand, hold your left ankle and rotate your left hand and try to see your fingertips without lifting your heels. Perfect. Yes. Yeah. Can you see the stretch in your obliques? Your obliques will be rotation. Yeah. Your crossover. Perfect. Yes. Rotate that way. Yeah. Perfect. Come back and do it with your left. So Sonali, whatever we are doing, stretching or mobility right now is all be connected to the movement. So do it very carefully. Right. Yeah. Perfect. 2. Done. Change. Yes. Just do it couple of times more so that we can change. Yeah. 4. 2 more times. 5 and one more. 6. Yes. Yeah. So now what you can do, elbows, close your hands, put your elbows on the ground, touching your toes. Can you do that? Can you feel the stretch in your hamstring and your inner thighs?
Yeah. Feet are flat, right?
Yes. Perfect. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Back. Now sit straight. Toes are straight, pointing straight. Yes, perfect. Touch your one knee to the ground and back. Yes. Other and back. 2. Yes. Do it 10 times. 4. Yes. 5. Yes. 6. Perfect. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And 10. So now do it with both your knees down. And so Sonali, don't lean forward in this. Try to pull your body back. Right. Pull your body back. 1. Down. 2. Down. As soft as you can go. Yeah. 2. Yes. Perfect. Yeah, I can see you. Yes. 3. Lovely. 4. Yes. 5. Yes. 6. Last 2. 7. Yes. Last one. 8. Rest. So now, back to plank position. Here. One hand, right leg close to your right hand. Lift your left hand up and look up. Keeping your back leg straight, knee locked. Right?
Right. Sorry, which arm, which leg?
Start with a plank. I'll tell you. Yes.
Arm plank.
Yes. Yeah. Bring your right leg close to your right hand. Right leg close to your right hand. Other side. So if you're coming this side, yeah. Now lift your right hand from there. Now lift your right hand from there. Left hand, that you're lifting your left hand right now.
No, it's
lift your right hand. That's your right.
Yeah.
So lift your right hand, yes. So then bring your right leg forward. Yeah.
Yeah, it's right leg forward, right hand. Is that correct?
Yes, perfect. Yes. Now change. 2. Yes. Now lift your right hand from there. Keep your left hand. Now lift your left hand. Lift your left hand. Yes. Yeah. Now try to look with your palm. Yes. 1. Lovely. Go back. Other side, do the same. One more rep. Yes. You'll find difficult to balance. Yes. Perfect. Lovely. 2. Go back. One more rep. From both sides. Yes. Forward. Yes. Lovely. Just keep your back leg straight in the process. Yeah. Perfect. Lovely. Go back. Yes. So let's start with the workout.
The actual workout?
Yes.
Guys watching us, I think you all should join us. बहुत मजा आ रहा है और चलो कुछ कैलोरीज भी बर्न हो जाएंगी.
Right. So sit in this position. Yes, you're already sitting in this position.
Yeah.
Get to the child pose. Reach out maximum. Go forward, lean forward, and go back. This is 10 repetitions or 5 repetitions you can do. 5 you do. Start with 5. That you already had a surgery. Do it 5. Lovely. Push it back. Yes. Go back. Yes. Sit on your butt. Yes. Come forward. Go back and sit on your butt. 2. Lovely. 3. Keep your elbows closed, Sonali. 2 more. Yes. Push it back. It's a kind of chaturanga that you're doing right now. Yes. Bring it back. Yeah, that's the reason I said I'll be mixing movement with your calisthenics.
Yeah.
Yes, lovely. Go back, rest. That's it.
So when you come back, when you go ahead, this stays like this or it should be closed?
So they should be closed. So you are sitting like this. You'll be like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Closed. Yeah.
So it should be closed.
Yes. Go back and sit. Yes, perfect. So now again I'll be mixing movement with calisthenics. So it's very simple. You're here. Bring your right feet forward. Drop your ankles down and come forward. Right?
Okay.
Yes. See, you have to get up, right? उठना पड़ा आपको. उठना नहीं आपको. आप उठना नहीं. So basic idea है कि उठना नहीं. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Right. Try doing that. Yes.
बहुत difficult है.
Try doing that. Yes. जितना आप low रह सकते हैं, try to keep it as low as you can. Yes. Go ahead. Yes. Drop your hips down. Stay low with your butt. Perfect. Yes. You did right this time. Yes. Move forward again. Yes. That's how you learn move forward. Now learn moving back.
Same way?
Same way. Yes. Perfect. Yeah. Go back. See, going back is difficult, right?
Yeah. Because
coming forward was easier. Yeah, coming forward was easier. Now come back one more time. Yeah.
And then ये यहाँ पे.
Yes. Can you come one more time? Can you do it? Yes, you'll be in practice with this movement. Then you can remember this movement whenever you're doing your workout. You can implicate these movements in your workouts to start the mobility work. Yes. Now go back. Yeah. There's a lot of people are watching you. Come on. Go. Yes. Lovely. Yes. Go back. Yes. Perfect. One more time. And that's it. Rest, please. So I'll teach you few animal flow movement. So the basic animal flow movement, ape, beast, and crab. These three, A, B, and C. Ape, beast, and crab. So I'll teach you ape, how to perform ape. So apes are like this.
Yeah.
Here, on your toes, and then close it down.
Okay.
Open up,
Ah,
and then close it down.
nice.
See, you dance well so that you can do it very well, this movement. Yes, of course.
That's a good way. Getting grace into your workout movements also.
Yeah.
Chalo, so should we begin?
Yes, please. 5 repetitions. So start from here, close down, and open up. And open up. Yes, open up. Yes. You can open up full, like you're just opening up your body, opening up yourself. Yes, 2. And close down. That you're closing yourself. Like you're hiding. That you're closing. Yes, I'm done. And then, yes, open up. Yes. Lovely. Yeah, close down. Keep your head in between the hands. Keep your head in between your hands. Perfect, yes. 2 more times. And that's it. Rest.
It's breathing in when we open.
Yes. Breathe in, just breathe out when you're closing it down. Breathe in. Open up. Breathe out.
Yeah. Good.
Perfect. So see, from same position, you can go into beast. That's the B. Right. Same position to go into this. This is beast.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. The knees are out, right?
Knees are up. Just go from here, reach in and go here.
Okay.
Just link the movement with that. So now what do? Start from here, right? Go here, come to beast.
Okay.
Alright?
Got it.
Perfect. Yeah. Close down. Yes. Perfect. Yes. You didn't close down, Sonali. You didn't close down. You just opened up and you forgot to close down. Okay. No worries. So you're starting from here.
Close.
Open up. Close. And then
okay.
beast. Yeah.
ये तो easy है.
Yeah. Go. Of course easy. Perfect. Yes. Open up. Yes. Again close down. Now come to beast. Perfect. You got it. Do it one more time, please.
Close.
Yes.
Okay.
2. Yeah. Close. Come to beast. Yes. And go back. Right. So you have learned 2 movements. Ape and beast. A and B. You're left with C. C is your crab. So basically crabs are like this. Right.
Okay.
Right. Crabs are like this. But this is very easy for you. So I'll just tell you what to do now. Right. Just see how to, from beast, how you will go into crab. So this is the way you should go into crab. Practice this first. Back. See, if you're like this, if you're here, right leg, here, and here. Perfect. Then again, yeah. Do it with me. Your right leg, put your right, yes. Do it with right leg, yes. Perfect. Now keep it down. Perfect. This is it. Now come back. This is it. No, not from there. You roll over it. Don't roll over it. You have to come under. So you're here. You have to be inside.
Achha.
Not from the outside. Right? Yeah. Yes. जैसे आप गए थे वैसे ही वापस आना है. Yes. 2. Yes. Perfect. Do it couple of more times so that will be easier for you. Lovely. Now rest. So what we will do, so we will connect A, B and C. तीनों एक साथ, right?
Okay.
That will be fun. So what do you do? You start from here. Right? Close it down. Want to beast, scratch, back, or back, or back. Perfect. Yeah, let's go for it.
Good luck to me. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. First thing, yeah, perfect. Yes. Breathe slowly. Focus. Yes. And see, you rolled over it again.
But I did the tougher
You
one.
did good stuff. Yes, you
You
are.
were doing that.
See,
I
one more
did the
time.
other one.
See, one more time. Take it. Right.
Okay,
First.
I
Yeah.
can do that, but I saw you do it. I don't know.
Okay. See.
चलो again.
हाँ ठीक है यहाँ okay go lovely two perfect yes come to beast yes now crab perfect yes back now rest right yes and back
Correct?
that's it yes absolutely correct now I want to mix it little bit more to this that
Okay.
will be fine right yeah
हाँ.
so these are very like easy movement now you can say now I'll put you a little difficult right so from here you already know the beast right you already know the beast so now what do you do right leg forward front leg forward and this is called front kick through then bring
It's
it
called
back
what?
front kick through
Kick
kick
through.
through
हाँ.
kick through yeah we are kicking through right and we are bringing it back do it 10 times do it 10 times like 5 each side you can do yes so start with plank or beast
Okay.
here
हाँ. Do
here
it with me. This is a
and
little
extend
confusing.
yes beast
Okay.
go
So
Yeah.
plank, leg inside, right?
outside
Outside.
outside
Leg
yes
outside the hand.
yes outside the hands yes
Front kick.
yes and bring it back lovely one
But you can't see me ना थोड़ा adjust करूँ.
yes थोड़ा सा like I just can't see your legs I can see the majority part हाँ ठीक है चलेगा बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दो आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दो प्लीज थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दो perfect बस leave it yes perfect I can see you complete yeah
Plank.
yes
Start पीछे से थोड़ा.
yes
Plank.
हाँ
Outside.
outside feet outside हाँ
Outside.
now yes bring it back lovely 2 3 more times please yes bring it back yes 2 3 yes 2 more one last perfect one last yes perfect done rest so now can you do the same movement from beast
Yeah, show me how.
so right now you are doing with the plank now do it with the beast yeah just close up and then extend
Okay.
yeah just
Okay.
two reps from each side so that will be clear when we will doing the movement yes keep your knees little
So
bit
I should
apart
start in beast position, right?
yes you will start in beast position yeah keep your knees little bit apart from each other yes keep it in line with your hands keep your knees in line with your hands
But अभी
knees
क्या?
knees in line with your hands beast yes
Yeah.
in line
But I'm saying,
yeah in
and
line
then
with
what is the first movement?
front kick through then right leg closer
First
bring
kick
it
the
back
leg. Okay.
and then you have to go back in beast only yeah perfect beast only no plank yes 2 yes 2 more yes one last that's it rest so can you connect all 4 now
Yeah, I think so.
yes You can yes, yes, all
I
four.
can try at least.
Yeah, of course you can do. Of course you can do. Yes, all four.
Chalo.
Chalo. Yes. Uh, perfect, perfect. Keep it there. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yes, I can see you fully. Yeah, go. Once. Lovely. Yes. Back. Nice. Come to beast. Front kick through. Yes. Yes. Now go to crab. Now go to
Okay.
crab. Crab, go to crab. Yes. 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 Now front kick through. Front kick through. Yes. Yeah. Two more.
I was hoping you'd miss that.
Yeah. Now go to beast now. Go to beast now. Beast. Beast. Yes. Lovely. Rest. 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 So
Now
I'll add one more.
I'll do dog movement. What she's
Dog,
doing.
dog. Yeah, I can see that. But it's not disturbing you right now. It's sleeping well. So let him sleep.
Yeah. She's like
Yes.
working as if she works the hardest. So her
Yeah.
rest.
Yes. So one more movement that I'm adding for today, okay? And then I'll take you for stretches, right? So 5 movements that you have to do it in one go. So now you learned the front kick through, right?
Yeah.
You have learned it. Now I'll show you the side kick through. So first I'll show you in a sideways movement and then I'll show you in front way, right? From beast only, stabilize your leg here. Back. Pull. So something you're pulling from here. One.
And the
Right.
hand goes like that.
Yes. You're extending your body right now. You're extending your body.
Yeah.
Back. Yeah. Extending your body.
Nice.
Keeping.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect.
Let me try it.
Yes, please. Yes. So first start with the side kick through and then we can add everything together and we'll start this stretching. Yeah, you did very well for the first second, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now?
Yes. Hey, that's front kick through.
Usi ki baat.
Side kick through. Side kick through. So just
This is a side kick.
just
No? Oh, this is front kick too. Sorry. Oops.
it will go in a side this way. It will go sideways. It will go
Acha.
sideways. It will go sideways, not forward. Yes, it will go sideways. Yes, now you got it. 2, yes. Lovely, 3, yes.
I don't know if you can see.
Yes. Protecting your hands. Face
Yeah.
with your hands. Protecting your face with your hands. Yes. So that you can see your legs are going little bit diagonally. Try to keep it straight. Keep it straight. Pull it this way. Yes.
Better?
Yes. Better. See, you have strength to do it straight right now. I can see that. Yes. Keep it straight. So it's right now doing this. It's little sideways.
Acha.
Keep it in front. Right. You are on top of your shoulders. Yes. See, you got it. Yes. Perfect. One more time. And that's it. Yes. Yeah. That's a good finisher that you did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Later.
Yes.
Is it okay to sip water during an animal flow or avoid?
Absolutely. You can drink whatever whenever you feel thirst.
Yeah, but sips, not too much.
Not too much. Just have it like. So now your test is now right now to do all the 5 movements that I taught you in the this right now.
Oh, damn. Okay.
8, beast, crab, front kick through, side kick through.
Okay.
Add everything. Yes, there we go. For the one last time with the flow. Yes.
Come on, everyone watching, cheer for me. Ow.
Easy. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Close it down. Forward.
I always forget the hand thing.
No. Feet outside, always.
Feet outside.
Ha. Until unless you are not doing basic stretching, feet are always. No. Why diagonal? Why sideways? Okay. You had the limitation. So, got your point. I saw it now. Yeah. I saw it now. Yeah, perfect. Leg जाएगा उसमें. Yes. Yeah. I saw it right now.
No.
Yeah. This. When you're doing side kick through, protect your face. When you front kick through, yes. He's always protecting your face. Yes. Perfect. Now crab. Okay. Relax.
Oh, there's
Rest.
more. Sorry, did I forget something?
Yes, you did not do crab.
Oh shit, sorry.
So again you have to do the fight. All fight together this time.
So crab will come after the side kick through, right?
Yes, front kick through, side kick through, then crab. We are finishing in crab. And there we so कहाँ finish करेंगे crab पे? यहाँ पे finish करेंगे crab पे.
Okay.
Right. Here also you are protecting your face. See, here also you are protecting your face.
Okay.
That.
I don't know how much I do, but I'll do something.
Yeah. I know you'll manage it. So are you ready for this?
Yes, let's go.
Yes.
Why don't you guide me? Why don't you keep saying it?
Yes, I'll tell you that. So I just wanted to test you for that. पहले मैं चाहता था आप खुद करो, फिर मैं आपको थोड़ा टेस्ट कर दूँ.
It's just more entertaining also for the viewers because then we.
Oh, perfect. Let's start. I'll tell you what to do, and you start doing that. ठीक है? Yeah. So you start with 8. Close it. Yes. Open up. Close it down. Go to beast. Front kick through with your right leg. Now with your left leg, go to beast. Sorry, my bad. Yes, left leg, go to beast. Now do the side kick through. Yes, very good. 1. Yes, 2. Yes. Now go to crab. Yes. Hanji. Yeah. That's it. Yes. Keep it. Hands are closer to your body. That's it. Yes. That's it. Bring it back. Come back to ape again. And finish off your thing. Yes. That's it. You close down again. That's it. Done. You're already back. That's it. We done. Perfect. We done. So yes, we did 5 basic movement of animal flow. And before that, I did 1 or 2 calisthenics exercises and mixed it with movement.
Yeah, and so much of sweat.
Yeah, so guys,
even
basically,
though I was doing it very slowly, when you do it with Saurav in person, tab to aur zyada. Right now I was being careful because of my eyes, so I can't even have 1 drop of sweat going into my eyes.
Yeah, so
I'm feeling good.
Absolutely. You did very well for your first session, Sonali. Trust me, you did very well. Yeah. So last time I trained your friend Poppy, I guess. Right. Yeah. So I did the same movements with her. Yeah, I tried. So you were better than her a little bit. Yeah. So perfect. Let's start with the stretching.
We're done with the workout part, right?
Yeah. We're done with the workout part. We'll do the stretch.
Acha, there's stretching. Chalo.
Yeah. So just hold 15 seconds everywhere. I know you're good at stretching.
Sorry, you're breaking. You kind of start. Yeah. Okay, you got stuck.
Yeah. Right leg here. And hold way up for 15 seconds. Yes. 15 seconds. Just 15 seconds hold there. So, guys, I'll tell you something about UCAN now. So Sonali is stretching right now. She already done with her workout. Other side. So basically, UCAN is an online portal. Yes, other side, Sonali, please. Thank you. 15 seconds. Hold there. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay?
That's okay. You can talk about you can. I'll stretch.
Yeah, I'll just tell you what to stretch now. Just I'll tell you. Just here, go down. Just rest here for 10, 15 seconds. Yes.
And
Perfect.
use the dusra version because there's no space.
Yes, you must go ahead. Yeah. Perfect. So yes, guys, I was telling you something about UCAN. So UCAN is a basically online portal where you can book your classes online and offline as well. Right. The best thing about UCAN is we're doing the personalized training. We are not going into the group classes. And the best thing about us is we are more in skill-based sessions than you can expect the regular workout. We are not doing HIIT. We are not doing circuit training. We are not doing functional training. Thank you, Sonali, for being here. I'll just take 2 more minutes to just explain about the UCAN thing. Yeah. So yes, so you can work on your skills. So you saw the session. It was all a skill session. It was not a workout. You do 10 burpees, do 20 burpees. It was not like that. So similarly, if you have to learn yoga, we have a yoga instructor, Bhumika. And if you have to learn martial arts, kickboxing, Abhishek is there. And the last, I'm here to teach you the movement and calisthenics. So that much you can do, right? So this is all about UCAN. You can join in anytime, anywhere. Yes, Sonali, we had a very good time today.
Yeah, I would just like to add that I
Perfect.
actually, I've trained on and off with Abhishek since many years, and as Saurav said, he's very good with your kickboxing and your weight training, and Saurav with calisthenics, and Bhumika I'm yet to try. I'm going to try a yoga class with her as well. So guys, you have an entire package, and now with the way things are, it's great to do online digital classes. And even if अगर आप 20 से 30 मिनट का वर्कआउट भी रोज अपने लाइफ में you can include it, so you will stay very mentally and physically fit. So I mean, everybody knows मैं हर सेशन में फिटनेस की बात करती हूँ, but I can never talk about
That's good. Every time you talk about something, you talk about good, right? You're talking about health and fitness. That's absolutely correct. You can speak anywhere, anytime. That's the best thing that you're talking about.
Absolutely. And I think private sessions be later, so people can even contact him for that. I'm sure they can DM you or something.
Thank you so much, Sonali, for that. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, Saurav, this was super fun. Thank you. Thank you for, I know you were really taking care because of my eye surgery and everything, and I mean, it was the right amount of workout. ना बहुत easy, ना बहुत tough, एकदम correct था मेरे लिए आज.
I made it like a moderate workout so that you can enjoy. This was your first workout after your this eye thing, so I wanted you to keep it a little lighter, and at the same time you should feel little challenging and motivating.
I want to try something intense with you.
Absolutely. This is just the beginning that you started right now.
Yeah.
Right. This will be very difficult after this. Yeah.
I know. Chalo. Thank you guys. Thank you so
bye.
much.
See you.
Thank you, Saurav.
Have a lovely evening today. Yeah. Bye. See you.
Ta-ta. Bye guys.
Bye.